Every year, thousands of people are injured and hundreds die in boating accidents across the United States. Unbalanced steering prompts many of these tragedies. A common cause for unbalanced steering with outboard motors is improper setting of the motor's trim tab. If the trim tab is not properly set, a boat may turn spontaneously when the steering wheel is released, even though the operator doesn't feel a large force acting on the wheel. A good example of this was seen in a 17-foot bass boat with a 75 horsepower outboard which I recently tested. The boat had been delivered to its owner with the trim tab still set as it had come from the motor manufacturer. The tab had not yet been properly adjusted for best performance with the new boat. When cruising straight ahead at speeds between 20 and 30 miles an hour, torque on the steering wheel was slight. I could hold a straight course with only 3 to 6 pounds of force on the wheel regardless of the motor vertical trim. If I released the steering wheel, though, and didn't grab the wheel within 1 to 2 seconds after releasing it, the boat would make a hard, uncontrolled turn to the right. Those G-loads would have easily ejected an unsuspecting passenger from the boat. However, by simply moving the trailing edge of the trim tab a few degrees to the starboard side of the propeller centerline, I was able to balance propeller and rudder forces on the motor and achieve balanced steering over the full range of boat speeds. With a proper trim tab adjustment, the boat moves forward with no turn to the right. Many boat operators, even experienced ones, don't appreciate the dangers of unbalanced steering, and they don't realize how a small adjustment of their outboard motor trim tab can make the boat much safer. Hopefully this brief message has helped you see the importance of testing your boat for unbalanced steering and making a simple adjustment that, if necessary, can make your boat much safer for you and your passengers.